The efficiency of the vaccine to SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19. What for reason for creating the vaccine in these times? Because in December 2019, in China is originates a virus called SARS-CoV-2 or COVID-19. The virus is an infection disease that attacks to the respiratory tract and spreads rapidly of person to person. In March 22, the government different countries and World Health Organization declared the pandemic. Many countries, for avoid the spread of the virus, got quarantine. What did World Health Organization do in this emergency? The World Health Organization ordered several scientific to the creating of vaccine for immunizate to people for avoid spread of the virus, dangers and consequences in the health. What is a vaccine? The vaccine it is a component that guarantees the safety and efficacy. It is a component of antigen that is devoid of the pathogen, virus, or bacteria. That is if the body recognizes and combats a disease in the future. How does the vaccine work in the body? In our immune system is willing the recognized antibody. It is administered of one or more doses of a vaccine against a disease. Stoppers protect your years, decades, or for all the lives. The vaccine are efficacious and protects of the disease. Nowadays, several scientific of different countries create a vaccine to COVID-19 to break the spread of the virus in the population in the world. For example, the companies creating of the vaccine are Sinovac, Novavax, Sanofi, and other companies. Many people distrust in the vaccine because they think they cause side effects against SARS-CoV-2. Therefore, a World Health Organization ordered that the vaccine is effective and necessary for avoid the spread of the virus. For example, the vaccine mRNA can alter the DNA, and World Health Organization confirmed that the vaccine was reviewed by the experts on immunization of use in efficacy of the vaccine in the population. Several scientifics have shown that the vaccine is effective, but many people also consider that it's effective. So the scientific literature has shown that the vaccine develops an immune response because it is composed of antibodies. For example, it is checked for 5,829 people and showed your efficacy in 95%. So it is checked to 24,000 people. There was the cursor of 59.9% of the infection. In addition, not all people get vaccinated because they think that the virus will go away on its own. Therefore, people not vaccinated with very grave consequences such as fever, headache, including death, or death because vulnerable to new variant of COVID-19. For example, the government of Tanzania does not require a purchase vaccine for this population. They will take a protective measure against the spread of the virus. Therefore, in United States, because to the high mortality rate of the to reduce infection and death for which the population of the United States must be vaccinated to immunize against possible spread of the virus. In conclusion, the details and list of information that people have about the vaccine and its effects have generated serious consequences in the population health without knowing that the vaccine has developed a possible response to the virus.